Hello guys, this is the Anycubic i3 Mega. There is no place to remove the printer from box, so I am inverting it. It's look very well packed in plastic to avoid any water to go inside. In case of the rain during transit, so now I am removing a plastic cover. And now removing the top cover, and so this is how it's look. The hot end square on left side, with a printer get a USB cable, sample PLA filament, and a bunch of tools. And extra hot end and SD card. I am removing this and keeping it side. We have a heat bed assembling below with Anycubic branding name on heat bed. It is actually a build tag with Anycubic branding. So below you can see we have a shovel to printing removing printed parts, and some power cord. So this is two pieces from that we will need to assemble as per the instruction given by Anycubic video. Thank you for watching my video.